guys, welcome back our channel La Sisters. Here's some fun and fresh fashion tips for teens that they love to try out. Because the teenage is very confusing stage, especially when it comes to individual style and fashion. Let's go to the video. First, colorful layering. Layering is one fashion trend that is always in rage and goes perfect for all age group. Try out all your colorful clothes at once. That is, wear a colorful vest and style it with a colorful shirt or jacket on the top. And pair with plain denim and sneakers and a colorful crossbody bag. Second, simple crop top. Crop tops have come back with a bang and lots of teens as well as adults are wearing it all the time. Teens can wear a cute striped crop top in neutral tone, such as black and white striped one, and pair it with a simple of denim. Wear minimum makeup and accessories. It helps you focus on the top. Next is the basic vest. Vest is one fashion accessory must have in your wardrobe. A basic vest in the shade of white will always help to coordinate your other clothes around it. You can try out a white vest with a blue pair of denims and simple or bright tie-on sneakers. You can also use a number of accessories on your hand, create the layer effect. And the best part of this look, you can always add another layer on top by using scarf, shirt, tee or even a jacket. And classic blue denim jacket. You can wear a jacket over a dress, over a regular skirt and top, and over a western denim combo, over formal attire, or even as a bottom-up jacket with a black pair of denim. Next is short and stockings. Teens love wearing shorts and it's one a fashion item that can always used to make a stunning style statement. You can dress up with a simple pair of blue denim shorts by wearing a netted stocking underneath. You can team it up with a white crop top and colorful pair of tie-on sneakers. Vibrant pair of glasses. Big and chunky frame glasses have come back to make the major style statement for both teen and adults. Choose colors that are more vibrant instead of dull. They will help to brighten up a plain look. You can wear a glass with formal wear and casual wear. Next, candies. You can mix and match your different bangles and bracelets. It's a big fashion statement. That is, leather bands, chunky jeweled bangles, wooden bangles, beaded bangles, bracelets, and wristbelt. Many more. Pretty in boots. These days boots are available in a variety of colors and styles, not just that black and brown. Pick 2 pairs in your favorite color, you can wear it. A girly dress. Floral patterns, pink or lavender hues and frills or lace will work best. And you guys explore and enjoy the world of fashion, and thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe our channel.